Welcome back to our zoology class. This is Mr Karthikeyan, educator in a NEET and all types of competitive classes. In this video session, I brought one more new and unique topic. That person is Paramoecium caudatum. So Paramoecium caudatum also permanent slide. So Paramoecium caudatum classification first let's see. Phylum Protozoa, class Ciliata, genus Paramoecium, species Caudatum. So this is an unicellular organism. If you observe the shape, in slipper shape it is, because it is also called a slipper animalcule. Slipper animalcule. What is meant by animalcule in the sense? Around 1674, Antony van Leeuwenhoek, first time he was observed a drop of water from the pond under the lens microscope, and he was observed single-celled moving objects, and he was named those as animalcules. So firstly, these all are named under animalcules, and later Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch etc., due to their work, further studies, these are named as their original name: Euglena, Paramoecium, bacteria, amoeba, proteus, etc. Okay. The body of this Paramoecium caudatum is covered with the help of a protein coat or layer, same like Euglena, is known as a pellicle. Then inside the cytoplasm, if you observe, same like in amoeba, proteus, here cytoplasm two types. Towards the pellicle, that cytoplasm is known as ectoplasm, followed by the cytoplasm is known as endoplasm. Ectoplasm, endoplasm. And the new feature is two types of nuclei are found in the cytoplasm of Paramoecium. This is a unique new feature. One is macronucleus, one more micronucleus. Macronucleus controls all types of metabolic activities inside the cell, but micronucleus involves in the reproduction process, nothing but a binary fission. In Paramoecium, asexual reproduction takes place, binary fission occurs. One Paramoecium mother cell is divided into two daughter Paramoecium mother daughter cells. One is called prota, one more is called ophiste. Here in Paramoecium, the binary fission is known as transverse binary fission. In Euglena, longitudinal binary fission. In amoeba, irregular binary fission. In Paramoecium, transverse binary fission. These all types of binary fission processes or methods indirectly a type of mitosis, mitotic cell division, remember. Then contractile vacuole are present anterior and posterior. Two types of contractile vacuoles are seen. Here, this is a contractile vacuole towards posterior. This one also contractile vacuole towards anterior. They eliminate foreign particles or undigested food substances from the cell to out. And also they maintain osmoregulation. We could observe here the elimination of waste material, that is called cytophiles. Then entire body is covered by cilia, hair-like structure called cilia, and towards posterior that caudal tuft can be observed. Clusters of cilia found, that is called caudal tuft. And food vacuole can be seen. Here especially towards anterior, oral groove is there. That special oral groove leads a small narrow cavity called vestibule. Oral groove leads vestibule. From the vestibule, here cytostome is leading. Oral groove, vestibule, cytostome. Then from there cytopharynx. Here through the oral groove the food particle is taken, and finally at the end of the cytostome the food vacuole formation can be seen. Food vacuoles are formed. Inside the food vacuole, the food particle will be digested. The enzyme, special enzyme is known as amylase will be found. In amoeba also amylase is there for the digestion of food in the food vacuum. Then here the special structure can be seen between the pellicle and what it is called ectoplasm. You could observe here. So these are helps in the formation of cilia and also the movements of cilia, ciliary movements. Also helps in the locomotion or movement. Also helps in the trapping the prey or collecting the food particle, because this is aquatic organism. That is called trichocyst. The special structure is called trichocyst. Once again we shall go through briefly the entire parts of our Paramoecium chordatum. Trichocyst, contractile vacuole anterior, oral groove, micronucleus, macronucleus, vestibule, cytostome, food vacuole, cytophytes, caudal tuft, contractile vacuole posterior, food vacuole, and slightly myonins also can be seen, spiral arrangement. And in endoplasm, ectoplasm, the granules are found. So this is the information about our slipper animalcule, nothing but Paramoecium chordatum. Thank you. Signing off. This is Mr Karthikeyan, mentor in all types of competitive classes or biological science subject. In one more video, I shall meet you.